please make yourself visible everywhere. Now, GD includes three important parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. All right. Atul, please listen carefully, and you may also note down the points also. Okay. Introduction, body, and conclusion. Now, we have to take initiative for two things: whether you can introduce the topic, whether you can conclude the topic, and in body, all of the participating needs to participate. All right. Everybody needs to participate and everybody needs to give relevant points. Am I clear this much? Now, I would say about the introduction. Introduction needs 5 important things. First is your greetings. Second is your name and the name of your topic. Third comes your meaning, definition, or any generic view about the topic. आप क्या सोचते हो टॉपिक के बारे में? How you wish to start? Something like that. And number 5 comes open the house for discussion. Am I clear this much? ठीक है? ये
Yes,
5 चीजें हमें इंक्लूड करनी है for the introduction. Next come your body. Body, I would say that you need to, you can question to each other, you can give relevant points related to the topic, something like you can do. Fine. After that, in conclusion, you need to be conclude the topic on behalf of everyone. सबके behalf पे अपने topic को conclude करना है. You need to be conclude the topic on behalf of everyone. Okay, friends. On the behalf of everyone, I would like to take initiate to conclude the topic. And though we had a we had a healthy discussion and we had discussed this important point. तो आप 2 या 3 पॉइंट जो भी आपके फ्रेंड्स ने बोले आप उनको हाईलाइट कर सकते हो. We had discussed this, and at the end I would like to say this. Thank you. All right. Is this okay? That is something we need to take care of.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, today the topic of discussion is night owls versus early bird. Have you done this topic before? Night
no,
owl
ma'am.
versus early bird.
Night out.
Night owls versus early bird. All right. Guys, do you know what is the night owl and who is the early bird?
Basically, the time basically regarding to.
See, I'm giving the brief. Night owls are the person who used to be, sleep late at night. All right. Someone who used to be sleep late at night, who used to be wake up till late night, that is night owl. And a person who used to be wake up early, who used to be, do all the work on the time and something, that is early bird. All right. So these are the two different kind of personalities. So we can be one, like we can be either two. So you need to be discussed. This is versus. Who is better? Night owl is better. Early bird is better. Who is more productive? Who is more constructive? These things need to be discussed. Okay. Now tell me who is going to introduce the topic.
I am Rishabh.
Okay. And conclusion?
Ma'am, could I?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sushant, please make yourself visible properly and just please focus on the topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Today the topic of discussion is night owl versus early bird. Guys, you may start at 10:15 and you have to conclude it till 10:30. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Guys, you may start.
Good morning, friends. My name is Rishabh Mahajan, and I am glad to start our discussion today. So, the topic that has been given to us is night owls versus early birds, and I feel like this is a topic which we can all relate to and which we all hold personal opinions on. So, I feel like that we all know the phrase that early bird gets the worm. So, by getting up early in the morning, we can accomplish a lot of tasks in the morning. So, thereby, we can set a positive and productive start to the day. Also, studies show that sleeping late in the night regularly poses health risks. So, I feel like if we can all take the extra effort to get up early in the morning, we will all be able to lead a productive and healthy day. Now, I invite all of you to participate in this discussion.
Yes, I
Very
agree
well
with the
said.
friends that we mentioned
Totally
that
agree with you.
in
But
the
I would
morning
like
time
to,
there is also a proverb called early to bed, early to rise. It is equally useful for all the students. If we wake up at the early hours, then we get a lot of time. Also, the attention time in that early period is much more because the atmosphere is quite silent in that particular, quite fruitful. So we can get a lot of time. Also, the time we get after rising early, we get a lot of time so that we can plan our day in a much better way.
totally
Yeah,
agree with you. So,
like
I mean,
you
in
are
this
getting.
context, I would like to add some more
Time.
example. So, like, take an example, I mean, Akshay Kumar. So, actually, I mean, he used to get uh, 4:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, I mean, this is his, I mean, active time. And take an example of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, actually, I mean, so, I mean, for this case, I mean, he rises at early at 6 a.m., then do some kind of yoga, and then do some kind of exercise also. So, guys, if we do some kind of late night activities, then there will be
Yes, we
kind of
very well
like
got your point.
Uh,
That it will make
I
us
think that
productive and
yeah.
productive, and
so like it's a
we will focus
disturbance of
more
some
to
kind of sleep
stay
cycle
focused on
also.
our health.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
I
Actually,
think that
we know that time is money.
those people who wake up early, they are able to do better in what in their task, and and if he is a person who has to do who has to plan that in morning you can plan your task, and after that you can perform it very well. And if you
Definitely, it
plan
will
in the night, then
improve the
it will
productivity. I agree
be.
with you,
Yeah, I
Shikhar
agree with you,
Arora.
Shikhar, because if
And
our start to the day is positive,
Uh,
then that will dictate how our entire day will progress. If the start to the
earlier,
day is positive, then high chances are that our entire day will be positive and productive.
okay, I
we
will
And
know
want
we
to
that
can
add
plan
time
one
is
for
money.
point
our
to
health
add
in
Time.
that way.
We know
that
that time is
after
money. Uh,
yes, after sleep, our brain also reforms, and also our nerve cells get a reset. So also the dopamine base level would also which get as a reset baseline. So we get motivated also. So
This can
and that's why
early.
our
this can
We
also
know
productivity
that
be this can
productivity
time
also
is
increases.
money. So we have to use the our productivity time to increase the our work rate and everything. It can like it can improve our health also because we do yoga and all in early morning. So that because like you can take my example. I have earlierly I was not doing anything yoga anything. So that's why I have become so much healthy. But now I am doing everything so that it can affect on our daily work rate and everything.
Yeah,
So,
and
totally. I
Atul,
mean,
I would like
also
to
the
add to what you
recovery
said
time.
but
that
Also the
if we can
recovery
yoga
time of the
regularly
is
body.
exercise
guys
in the
in the
morning,
morning. So I mean,
Also
in
to
the
the
start
morning
our
recovery
you
day
time the
can
very
do
body
well,
yoga
between
and
the
we
11
exercise
say that
to
also.
we
we
have
can
a
just
So guys,
very
speak
it's
one
good
in
at
the
a
and
time.
proper
meaningful
time.
life.
Yeah.
We say we cannot listen to anyone. Yeah, what I wanted to say is, like studies have also shown that it's not about the hours you sleep, but it's about the time. I mean, actually, the time up to we are sleeping. Like if you are sleeping at 10 and up to 3 or 4 a.m., so it will be more effective. Even if you are sleeping 8 or 9 hours during day. So yeah, even in that case also, and if you are getting early, so it will make us make our work more productive, make us health oriented as well, and we can manage
but
time very goodly.
but
also we can see that the recovery
But,
time of body between the 11
there are some
p.m.
duty.
to the 4 p.m. each much more fruitful, and it been proven also. Also, this is the best example that we can see in the defense sector, also forces in the sector. Like they wake up at the 4:30 a.m., do the PT and yoga, everything, and then go for the duty. These also be practices, and it has also been proven in all the aspect of the life also.
Yeah, Akshay, I agree with you that
But
getting
guys,
exercise early in the morning to kickstart our
Yes, I
day
agree
is
with
the
you.
right way to go forward.
yeah.
But
Yes, I think those
sometimes
those
we
who
have
Totally
to
agree with you guys. So I mean, sometimes guys, we have to do. So please
yes,
continue, guys. I
yes,
mean, anyone who
I
is
agree
concerned.
with you. And when the
like
sun gets like rise up, you also get the energy to perform very well. So sun also is also a factor. So when the day is out, sun also out, and we get also the energy and motivation to do the work.
So guys, I mean, from the
Also,
late night study. So guys, sometimes I mean, we can handle some amount of pressure. Um,
No, what I think
So
is,
like
I
during
mean,
the
I got
exam
your
also,
point.
I mean, we do some kind of late night study also. So guys, I mean, in this way we
Yeah,
can
but
handle some pressure also. So I think
no,
guys, late night
what
activity in
I
some
think is,
cases are also important.
I agree with the friend that you mentioned that later there are also the other aspect of the life. Also, like in most of the cases, the person who are working in the plant also they have an operation shift duty. So there might be the cases for them
yes,
also
in night,
that can be the late night is a much more
late
fruitful.
night.
Like they are working for that day
yeah,
night
but
shift
that is the
also. Their
compulsion. Yeah,
cycle
yeah,
is very
I
different.
got your
It
point.
also depends upon the body cycles and how the person tune their body to themselves to adjust the basically.
See, if a person has
Actually,
adjusted
my
his
point
body
is
as per
about
the
that
night shift,
late night
then I
shift.
think that we should change it to the morning, because yeah, if a person is working at night, so then it is his compulsion to do that. But at the end, I think the best practice can only be to get up early, and yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
also we
because
have
we
also
can
seen
already
in the
refer
exam
to
hours
the studies. We already have
also
access
I
we
think
to
those
the
are
those who
study.
studying
wake up
Like
early,
night
no
they
in the
one
night.
like
don't get
staying
very
up late
much.
every day will lead to higher health risks. Like we can have issues with cardiac problems and such things, similar things. So getting up early should be the way forward.
Yeah, this
Yes,
is
I
the
would like to
best
add
solution.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
those who wake up early,
It,
they
it
usually don't
definitely.
face any. They usually don't face any issues like what Rishabh said, that they do not face any heart issues. They also they do not face mental issues. That mental, because in the morning you have a positive outlook, and you don't feel the need to go to take medicines or any other. You do not feel the
Yeah,
need
there's
to go to
no one
doctor.
thing. Yeah, exactly. And one aspect of getting early is, I mean, as you
It
mentioned, no medical issues,
this
because people are
So
getting
guys,
time to
I'd
get
like to add
exercise
some
and
more few
whatever they
points
want.
here. So like guys, I mean for myself, guys, I mean I used to do some kind of meditation at night also, because I mean surrounding are totally silent. So I mean some cases I do perfect meditation at night also, guys.
Yeah,
So after that I can get a very good
it's
sleep also.
totally right. Yeah, okay.
So after
Yeah, if we talk
sleeping
about that aspect,
and after the
but
3 4 hours, we need to
but fresh
so that
air you
so that the
cannot
food
get
get
fresh at
digest.
night.
Okay.
Uh,
Late
Also,
night
actually, basically, we have also seen in the during the exam hours also in the colleges
liver.
also that we do the lot of study during the night time also. That is also being beneficial for
actually, I
them also.
als- also also I raised some like issue, like we have many exam shift which is in like 9 to 12. So if we have late
Yes,
night tendency, then we can get unconscious, or anything it can happen
Yeah,
with
agree with you,
in
Atul,
exam hall.
that if
So
we
it will be.
we stay up late, then we will feel groggy during the exam, and it will hamper our attentiveness during the exam.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, I think that one of the
So
example that we see that
probably
one of
way forward to.
Yeah, Atul, please go forward.
Yeah, continue, Sikar.
yes,
So that's why
I think
I'm
that the
like
one
I
of the
want to
example which we see
continue
in our
that.
life is that those people who wake up early, they usually we usually see that they don't have any they don't feel bad when they are not able to perform good in their work, and they have a positive outlook towards their life. So that is what I want.
Yeah,
also the
exactly.
Yeah,
health
If we
yeah,
can
parameters.
yeah. You
get
are
Also
right.
the
the
Actually,
health.
task done
we
in
can see
early.
from
Yeah, Akshay,
we
please go
can
forward.
Also the
we can see
health
from
parameter
our
that we
grandfather.
have in the body. that is also being maintained throughout the life cycles. If you rise early in the morning, actually basically the cycles that we have in the recovery period, that is mostly in the night hours. Like at least we require a 6 to 7 hours. That's we basically a day and night being made for that. Basically in the night shift, we in the night hours we take a rest so that body recovers that whatever we have done in the days hours.
So
So
adding
guys,
to what
if we
Shikhar
take
said,
a
that
sleep
if
at
we
night,
get
then
more
Also,
tasks done
also,
early in the
so
morning,
guys, if
then
we
we
take
will
a
feel
good sleep at night
motivated
now,
and
so guys, then you totally, I
compelled
mean,
to
remove or
complete the rest
eradicate
of
the
our tasks that we have
total
pending
physical and
in the
mental stress,
remaining time.
guys.
And this way, nobody
So
can be
guys, I'm
understanding.
saying, so
also
if
it
we,
At a time.
so guys, I mean, if
Please
we
try to
take a
speak
nap
one at
at
a
night
time.
now,
Okay,
so guys,
okay.
I mean, we can totally, I mean, remove the uh, stresses, kind of stresses like physical and mental stresses, guys. So I think, guys, I mean, night sleep is very much important.
Yep. Okay.
also we can see from our average life, like our average life gets decreased by day, so it will late night sleep, because of due to late night sleep, late night due to late night duty, it happens with everyone, that our average life gets decreases day by day. So it will also improve in our to increase our like average life, 60, I think 60, from 60 to 70 to like 80 90, our to increase
Yeah.
our
Okay,
average life.
but
Yeah, basically
one aspect
due
of
to
What
the
you
less
said, that I
recovery
agree
of
with
the
you. It
body
has been
cycles.
observed that if people are
uh,
forced to work in late night shifts on a repeated period of time, then they face faster aging when compared to the normal humans who are leading a normal life.
Yes.
So in that case, it is
yeah.
detrimental to the body and also the health of that
yeah.
person.
See, if we'll talk about the health issues, so definitely rising early is always the best option. But there is one more aspect of late night getting up, and that is the creativity. Because it is seen that in some people feel more creative when at night when they just get astonished to see that the stars and all. So stars, moon, they can be an inspiration for the creative people, for like people who are interested in arts or any dance forms and all. So one aspect of night is this, the creative aspect.
Yeah.
Also it is being proven that if you wake up in the early hours, then if you take a sun bath in the early times, matlab when it is being starting the rise of the sun, that is a much beneficial for the vitamin D of the human body also, rather than
Yeah.
waking at the late, like if you same time if person is waking at 4 around 4 a.m. or same person is waking at suppose you take example of 11 and 12, then person who is waking up at 4 a.m., that is much beneficial for the vitamin D also.
Yeah, Akshay, I agree with you that Surya Namaskar in the early morning is very
Yes,
much beneficial for both the health, mental, and as well as the physical health of the body.
that's why it's always been preferred that Surya Namaskar it is being done in the
Friends,
morning shift.
please conclude the topic. It's 10:28.
So thank you. I would like to conclude the topic based on some of the points which I understood in this. So one of the point is that those who wake up early, they have they make their better. They can use their time, and they can have their day more worthwhile than those who are sleeping late at night. Also, the waking up early and this and working till the night has their own pros and cons. Some of the good things about waking up early is that people develop a good habit, and also they don't face mental issues, and they don't face any heart issues, and there are all things. Also, some people can concentrate better in morning time, while for the night, who wake up in the night, the night can create an atmosphere. It can create an environment where people can work in they can work creatively, and they can and they can focus on their creative aspect of the life. And I think uh, uh, that those who uh, believe in working in the night can also be productive like those who work in early. So that's my.
Are we done?
Yes, sir. Yes, we are done.
Oh. So guys, this topic night out versus early bird. First of all, like conclusion has to be done by Swaroop. First thing.
Yes, ma'am.
But maybe you guys are not attentive to each other, something like that. So it's all right, no worries. Okay. Now I have found that many of you have favor in the early bird. That we should wake up early, we should do yoga and exercises. It could be give the more productivity, it could be more constructivity. Only few are saying that night owls can be better to complete your task and all these things. Uh, Means it's kind of 70-30, I guess. What other points can you add on that night owl versus early bird? You may divide yourself night owl versus early bird. So some can speak on night owl, some can speak on the early bird. Whether it's your personal choice, what you want to speak, that's okay. Guys, you can also talk about night owl because night owl are more constructive. They have a more IQ level, and they have the people who have preference of completing their work on the same day, right? It's because, like, suppose they have a very pressure of work and they have to complete that project today only. So what they used to do, they used to complete the project on the time, like on the today only. They will, like wake up, they will not fall asleep late night, and they will complete their project. That is something. Night owl also have their, night owls are not constrained with time. What kind of personality they are, they do not have any fixed time. Let's suppose they are sleeping at 2 p.m. in the night. They are waking up at 11 a.m. in the morning. Then they are, doing their work and they are enjoying their work in their own way, right? So they are not constrained with time. But sometimes, although vice versa, you may also say that it may lead the like disruption in whole schedule. If a personality who is a night owl and who is waking up at 11, and after that they are going to the office, it may lead some disruption. They may ruin the whole schedule. That what it may delay the meeting, it may delay the project, it will delay a lot of things. That you can say it out, right? If I talk about early birds, you all were saying about that we should be early bird, we should have wake up early, we should do that and this and all like that. What you can say is early birds sometimes can be lazy as well, because they used to be wake up early in the morning, then they start then they start their work very early, and the mid afternoon I would say they used to be fall asleep, they used to be feel lethargic, they used to be feel hectic, that I want sleep, I want to sleep, I want to take a rest, something they can find, feel it out. That you can also mention. Fine. Sometime in the, I would say the early birds feel less productive in night time, whereas night owls are very much productive in the night time. And there are two times are the best for study or to work efficiently. First is the morning, first is the late night. Because the daytime is not so. Daytime is very much hectic and it's a lot of push push. All right. आप ये सब बोल सकते हैं. All right. Uh, आप बार बार जैसे पॉइंट्स को रिपीट कर रहे थे कि वो ज्यादा मतलब इफेक्टिव हो सकता है या ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. तो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब डिस्टर्बिंग हो सकता है या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है वैसा हो सकता है. आप नाइट आउल्स के बारे में भी बात करो. नाइट आउल्स एक वो लोग होते हैं जो
There are
फ्लेक्सिबल
network
होते हैं,
issue,
टाइम के
ma'am.
साथ
Yes.
कंस्ट्रेन नहीं होते.
Actually, you have
दे
network
कैन
issue.
ट्रैवल इन नाइट, दे कैन वर्क इन नाइट, और वो प्रेशर लेके भी काम कर सकते हैं बिकॉज दे कैन each of my
Ma'am, actually,
videos
your
in
voice is
NITIE.
lagging, ma'am.
Guys, is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now clear.
Am I clear right now? So these points can be added by like this. Okay, जैसे आप लोगों ने कई पॉइंट तो बहुत ही रिपीट किए हैं. आई थिंक यू वर सुशांत. सुशांत, ये आपका स्लॉट नहीं था बट आपने डिग्री अटेंड करा है. दैट वाज ओके, कोई बात
10
नहीं,
AM
आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया. बट आपके आइडियाज क्लियर
10
होने चाहिए सुशांत. आपने जो पार्टिस हाँ जी,
मैम 10 AM का था ना मेरा, तो आज मतलब आज किया.
आपका लिखा हुआ था नाम वहां पे.
यस मैम.
ओके, नो वरीज. ठीक है. आपने पार्टिसिपेट ठीक किया सुशांत, लेकिन आपके आइडियाज क्लियर नहीं थे। आप, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप टीम मतलब अपना सोलो ही खेल रहे थे, सोलो प्लेइंग कर रहे थे कि मेरे को अपने सिर्फ पॉइंट्स देने, लेकिन आपको बाकियों को भी सुनना है, उनके साथ ऐड ऑन भी करना है, उनके साथ एग्री डिसएग्री भी करना है। ठीक है गाइस, ऋषभ ने अच्छे पॉइंट्स दिए, अक्षय ने अच्छा पार्टिसिपेट किया, शिखर वाज आल्सो पार्टिसिपेट। अतुल, आप पॉइंट्स पूरा रिपीट कर रहे थे, आपके जो पॉइंट्स थे वो मैनिपुलेटिव थे कि बैलेंस होना चाहिए, मतलब टाइम इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, तो हमें ऐसे होना चाहिए वैसे होना चाहिए। ये आपका फर्स्ट जीडी था, नो वरीज, एवरी मिस्टेक इज एक्सेप्टेबल, बट नेक्स्ट जीडी में ये मिस्टेक नहीं करनी। गाइस यू नीड टू बी ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट। कई बार आप ग्रामेटिकल बहुत ज्यादा एरर क्रिएट कर रहे थे, तो वो आपका पास्ट टेंस प्रेजेंट टेंस आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो वो पता नहीं लग रहा, उस पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है। कौस्तव, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल, आप अच्छे से ऑडिबल नहीं थे पूरे जीडी में, बहुत कम टाइम ऐसा था कि जो आप प्रॉपरली ऑडिबल थे, यू आर नॉट क्लेरिफाइंग योर आइडिया, दैट नीड्स टू बी हाईलाइटेड। अगर आपके आइडियाज क्लियर नहीं होंगे गाइस, तो मैं आपको जज नहीं कर पाऊंगी, आपको पॉइंट्स नहीं दे पाऊंगी। गॉट माई पॉइंट? एंड दिस इज समथिंग वर्सेस टॉपिक, ये एक मिसलेनियस टॉपिक होता है, इस पे एग्री भी कर सकते हो, डिसएग्री भी कर सकते हो, डिवाइड भी हो सकते हो। ऐसा नहीं है कि सबने एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाना है, क्योंकि ये सबकी अपनी परसेप्शन हो सकती है, अपनी विल हो सकती है कि आप नाइट आउल हो या फिर आप अर्ली बर्ड हो। आप अर्ली बर्ड हो, आपके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं, दैट यू गाइस आर हैविंग योगा, मेडिटेशन, एक्सरसाइज, दिस एंड दैट, बट उसके डिसएडवांटेजेस भी हैं, दैट यू विल फील लो, यू विल फील लो इन द डे टाइम, आप डे टाइम पे थोड़ा लो फील करने लग जाते हो, योर प्रोडक्टिविटी कैन बी रिड्यूस, दैट यू कैन से, all right? And if you be a night owl, you can be more productive in the daytime or the I would say the night time, because you guys are waking up at 11 or 12, right? And you are not constrained with time, you are more flexible with your task, आप अपने बहुत सारे टास्क कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन बी फ्लेक्सिबल विद 1 or 2 hours। बट जो अर्ली बर्ड होते हैं वो एक फिक्स टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट के साथ होता है, इफ ही हैज सेट अप हिज माइंड दैट आई हैव टू वर्क ओनली 9 to 5, वो 9 to 5 ही काम करेगा। इफ यू विल बी आस्क्ड दैट आप 1 मिनट ज्यादा काम कर लो, वो उसको कहीं ना कहीं लाइक हिंड्रेंस क्रिएट करेगा। ऑल राइट, दैट्स थिंग यू मे लाइक ऐड ऑन दिस टॉपिक। नाइट आउल वर्सेस अर्ली बर्ड एक बहुत ही फ्रीक्वेंट मिसलेनियस टॉपिक है, दैट कैन कम लाइक एनी टाइम। एंड गाइस ट्राई टू बी डिवाइड योरसेल्फ ऑन द सर्टेन टॉपिक, और जो मतलब सर्टेन कंसेप्ट, दोनों अलग अलग कंसेप्ट है। जब आप इंट्रोड्यूस करते हो टॉपिक को, आपको दोनों को पहले क्लैरिफाई करना होता है। ऋषभ, okay, what is night owl, what is early bird, दोनों को बताओ, फिर you know that the colleagues, that your batchmates and all that, they will speak at that particular order, वो उसी हिसाब से बात करेंगे, वो इसी हिसाब से बोलेंगे कि हमें पता है अर्ली बर्ड क्या होता है, नाइट आउल क्या होता है, तो हम उसी हिसाब से अपने आइडियाज डिलीवर। ऑलराइट गाइस, दिस इज समथिंग नीड्स टू बी चेक। अक्षय आपका टाइम थ्रू हो
Ma'am,
रहा
I
है,
think you
like
forgot to give me my feedback.
no, I don't forget. I haven't forget Swaroop. I'm just giving right now. I'm just coming to the Akshay,
Okay.
and after I'll come to you. Yeah. Swaroop, you have also like participated in this discussion, and it was a, I can say that it's a manipulative somewhere, but you have highlighted that identical points. That is good. But Swaroop, I think you need to be conclude. तो आपको भी थोड़ा सा
Yes,
अटेंटिव
ma'am.
रहना पड़ेगा कि शिखर अगर कंक्लूड कर रहा है, तो यू शुड आल्सो स्पीक फॉर योर सेक दैट गाइस आई थिंक आई शुड कंक्लूड द टॉपिक। ठीक है, दैट अटेंटिवनेस
Yes,
नीड्स
ma'am.
टू बी देयर। अपनी टर्न के लिए आपको एटलीस्ट, जब आप जो आपने इनिशिएटिव लिया जिसका आपको प्लस पॉइंट मिलेगा, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा रिजिड रहना होगा। ठीक है, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो वर्क,
Yes,
ऐसा
ma'am.
लगेगा कि ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज था एंड दे हैव टेकन देयर चांस। ऑलराइट, ऋषभ,
Okay, ma'am.
वर्क ऑन योर
Okay,
फेशियल
ma'am.
एक्सप्रेशन। Shikhar, work on your facial expression. Swaroop, you are okay, but try to speak with a positive smile and take everything in a positive nod. But try to be more attentive. ठीक है, ऋषभ यू
Yes,
ऑल्सो।
ma'am.
अक्षय, आपने अच्छे पॉइंट दिए, पहले से पार्टिसिपेशन और कंटेंट थोड़ा इम्प्रूव हो रहा है, बिकॉज नाउ यू आर नॉट रनिंग टू फास्ट, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड पॉइंट लाइक दैट। बट ये जो नाइट आउल वाला कंसेप्ट है, ये बहुत कम लोगों ने एग्जैगरेट करा है, एंड आई थिंक गाइस यू शुड स्पीक ऑन दैट ऑल्सो। ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
नाइट आउट की कैसी प्रोडक्टिविटी होती है, कैसी कंस्ट्रक्टिविटी होती है, वो सब कुछ भी आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, सुशांत, यू नीड टू बी लिटिल फॉर्मल, थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल होके बात करनी पड़ेगी, और सबको सुनना भी पड़ेगा, सबको चांस भी देना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, कौस्तव, प्लीज एनहांस
Formal
कॉन्फिडेंस
means,
लेवल।
I mean, formal means like, how can I be formal?
Like I can't understand what are you saying.
मैम you told me that I
मैं
have to be more formal. So I mean,
लाइक सबकी बात आपको सुनना पड़ेगा, वही है, सबकी बात को सुन के तब जवाब देना पड़ेगा। मैम
हाँ
वही
जी,
बोलना चाह रही
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अतुल, सबको सुनना भी पड़ेगा और सबके पॉइंट्स को रखने भी देना है, ठीक है। फिर उसके पॉइंट्स को ध्यान से सुन के उसमें ऐड ऑन करना है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, वो भी हमें देखना है। वो हमारी अटेंटिवनेस होती है, ये नहीं कि सब लोग अपना अपना पॉइंट दे रहे हैं, फिर सब लोग सुनेंगे कब? ये तो मेरे को बताओ ना कि फिर आप ऐड ऑन कैसे करोगे? ऑल राइट
मैम। मैम जस्ट वन डाउट,
हाँ जी
लाइक कोई टॉपिक मतलब मुझे लाइक इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छे से नहीं आती है, लाइक हिंदी में आती है, तो उसको मैं सब लोग जैसे इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हैं तो उसको मैं हिंदी में लाइक बोल
हाँ
सकता हूँ।
अतुल, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ
Okay, ma'am.
बैरियर, व्हाटएवर यू फील कंफर्टेबल यू कैन टॉक लाइक,
Yes, ma'am.
और आपका कंटेंट क्लियर होना चाहिए,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है।
Yes,
कौस्तव,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
your points are okay, Kostab, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
you
ma'am. Am
need
I
to
audible?
enhance your, yes, you need to be enhance your confidence, Kostab.
Yeah.
All right. थोड़ा सा आपको
Okay,
अपना
ma'am.
कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इंक्रीज करना होगा, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि आपके पास कंटेंट तो है बट आप विजिबल नहीं हो पा रहे हो। जैसे अक्षय है, ऋषभ है, ये स्वरूप है, ये सब लोग विजिबल होते हैं कि हाँ ये लोग बोल रहे हैं, तो आई कैन नोट डाउन देयर पॉइंट व्हाट दे आर स्पीकिंग, बट व्हाट यू आर स्पीकिंग ऐसा लगे दैट यू आर विस्परिंग समवेयर। So your face needs to be checked, your vocal needs to be checked, and you need to be take care, like maintain the decorum also, and you should give chance to everyone. All right, guys. अभी जो टॉपिक है नाइट आउट वर्सेस अर्ली बर्ड, आई थिंक आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा। अभी आफ्टर यू दिस सेशन इसको थोड़ा सा जाके एक बार चेक करना, यू विल गेट दैट डॉक्यूमेंट एज यस अक्षय।
Ma'am, regarding my voice, it is a little bit slower or it is a louder one than the
अक्षय
earlier
दिस इज
one.
फाइन, दिस इज फाइन नाउ, दिस इज ऑल राइट।
Okay.
अभी ठीक है, अभी समझ में आता है आप क्या बोल रहे हो क्या नहीं है, बट पॉइंट को रिपीट ना किया करो, थोड़ा सा और बेटर हो सकता है करोगे, ठीक है। पेस अभी ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
guys, so just check it out this topic, you will get the PDF, you can find out the PDF on the panel as well। आप उसमें PDF में देखना कि क्या क्या पॉइंट उसमें लिखे हुए हैं, ठीक है। that can be help you out, and please join your GD according to your slot।
मैम
अगर आप अपने slot की तरफ से join नहीं कर रहे हो, that can be interest। yes,
Ma'am, you will be sharing the PDF of this.
Akshay, I can share, you
login
can to the YourPedia panel।
Okay, ma'am.
मैम ऑन पोर्टल।
Yes, on the panel, YourPedia panel, there are a lot of PDFs, you can check it out।
ma'am, I have one doubt.
All right, guys, then हाँ जी
मैम एक्चुअली जब मतलब हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं तो एक ही टाइम में जैसे काफी सारे लोग बोल ले रहे हैं, तो उसको कैसे मतलब हैंडल किया जाए कि मतलब अपना पॉइंट, क्योंकि ऐसा काफी बार हुआ कि मैं बोल ही नहीं पाया।
हाँ, आप सबको बोलो कि गाइस प्लीज मेंटेन द डेकोरम एंड लेट एवरीबॉडी गेट द चांस टू स्पीक, ठीक है। वो आप बोलो कि सबको चांस दो और सबका पॉइंट रखो। जैसे आपको दिख रहा है कि कोई बोल रहा है और सब उसकी बात काट रहे हैं, तो आप बोल सकते हो कि गाइस जस्ट होल्ड ऑन 1 सेकंड, जस्ट अतुल लेट अतुल स्पीक, ऐसे करके। वो एंगेजिंग कैपेबिलिटी होती है, दैट यू कैन इट्स द वन ऑफ द पैरामीटर ऑन व्हिच यू बीइंग जज्ड। ऑलराइट
ओके मैम। और मैम दूसरा पॉइंट वो जो आपने कहा कि अपने पॉइंट रख थे मैम, जैसे इस केस में ऐसा हो रहा था कि मतलब पॉइंट्स रिपीट हो रहे थे, तो मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं भी वही बोलूंगा तो फिर वो मतलब रिपीट वही
वही तो आपकी
वही
प्रेजेंस ऑफ
साइकिल चलती रहेगी।
माइंड है ना सुशांत। किसी ने भी नाइट आउल के बारे में बोलने की कोशिश नहीं की, अगर आप वो हाईलाइट करते तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका टॉपिक घूम जाता, सब लोग फिर नाइट आउल के बारे में भी बोल।
मैम आई ट्राइड
हाँ यू
मैम आई ट्राइड आई टोल्ड अबाउट द क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट
बट
आल्सो,
स्टिल
फिर वही
तो कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ,
वापस।
क्योंकि तब तक मेजोरिटी ऑफ पीपल वर टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्ली बर्ड। आपको इस तरीके से टॉपिक को बीच में इंट्रोडक्शन देना कि गाइस आई थिंक वी हैव टॉकिंग ऑन द लाइक अर्ली बर्ड, बट आई थिंक नाइट आउट पर्सनालिटी आर आल्सो okay, Kostav. You can say that guys, I think we should talk about the night owl also, because they're also productive and constructive.
Yes.
All right, that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
something we can talk like that. All right,
ओके मैम।
okay, guys, then see you in the next DD. Okay,
थैंक यू
ओके
मैम।
मैम, थैंक
थैंक
यू।
यू।
all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.